Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do my jumbo box braids. So I decided to do my version of this jumbo box braids tutorial. So for this particular style I'm going to be using my 2x pre-stretch braid. It's in 48 inches. It's the expression braid and it has like 2 pieces in the pack. So in total I used about 4 packs to get this particular style. So to get my hair and the braid really nice and sleek, I decided to use my Murray's beeswax, also my shine and jam. So as you all can see, my hair is really stretched out for this particular style. I decided to do like a light blow dry on my natural hair. Now I really don't use heat. I try to avoid heat as much as I can because heat tends to damage your natural hair. So whenever I do any of my usual styles, I really don't use heat. So I decided to do a light blow dry for this particular style. So to begin my box braids, I start by making like a part to the side of my hair, the size that I want my box braids to be. Now this is the size that I'm going to be going with. It's not usually, it's a little more on the jumbo side, so this is the size I decided to go with. And I start by applying my Murray's edge wax, also some of my shine and jam, to get my hair really nice and smooth. Now you can use whatever type of gel that you prefer. Every hair texture is different, so you can use whatever gel goes well with your hair type. And I'm going to be using my edge brush, making sure everything is nice and sleek. So I really wanted to use like jumbo rubber bands for this style, but I didn't get any at my local beauty supply store, so this is all I had on hand. So I just doubled the rubber bands to get it nice and jumbo, and I guess these babies are going to work. It did work really well. So if you guys are not getting any jumbo rubber bands, you can use your normal size rubber bands and double it, and you will get the same particular hold. Now that my entire head is complete, as you all can see, each section of my hair is really different. You will not get this all the same size. So this is what I got, so I'm going to work with it, and it's really nice and straight. My part really came out good. I surprised myself, you guys, because I can't see to the back of my head, so it really came out nicely. So as for the amount of braid that I used, one pack I got 6 braids out of each pack. So one piece I split into 3 pieces of hair. So if you guys are understanding what I'm saying, one pack I got 6 braids. So I basically used one pack for the front section of my hair. Now when you begin your braids, make sure that it's really tight because it helps the braid to stay onto your natural hair really nice. So I'm just going to continue to plait my braid all the way down, and to disguise my hair with my braid in here, I'm going to just be adding some of my shine and jam as well. Also I'm going to be making sure that my hair is split between my natural hair and the braiding hair. So this is basically what I do. I take my braiding hair, I split that into 2. Also I make like a loop around each other, and I begin my braid. You can do your box braids as long or short as you want, whatever your style preference, whatever your preference may be. You can do it as short or as long as you like. I'm gonna just do mine like medium length, and I make sure and plait all the way down, disguising my natural hair with the braid. So guys, if you like this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, also turn on that notification bell. So as I said, this is basically my first time doing jumbo box braids. I was scared to do the style because I didn't know if I would be able to do it. Because of the amount of hair that you have to add, I was scared that it would be heavy on my head, and to my surprise it was not. It was really nice, light and nice. So I enjoyed doing this style for you guys. So I hope you are enjoying the video as much as I enjoyed doing the style for you all. For the last of my jumbo box braids, I'm basically going to be doing the same thing, making sure that my roots are really nice and tight with my natural hair and the braiding hair, and using my shine and jam as I go along to make sure that my natural hair and the braiding hair is really nice and smooth and flush together. So I'm basically going to be finished doing my box braids, and I'm going to show you guys the finished look. So my box braids are done, and I did added some of my hair jewels off camera. So I'm going to finish my style by doing my edges with my Eco Styler and my edge brush. So if you guys already know, I love doing my edges for any particular style. So I'm just going to be finishing off my edges. I think it came out pretty well for my first try. What do you guys think? So if you guys like it, please don't forget to comment down below. Also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, so you'll get a notification every single time I upload a new natural hair tutorial. Just remember, stay beautiful, stay blessed, create magic. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos. Bye.